Alright, here we come to the main mall elevator.
At Westfield, Montgomery Mall, and look at this, the fireman's hat is on.
Yeah, and yeah, it's not in fire service.
There's 2 indicators, by the way. 2. But this one isn't.
Alright, let's listen.
One. Oh, going down?
Yeah. Going down? Come on in. You can fit.
This one also has a ThyssenKrupp Aurora phone button. Look.
Yeah, that's weird.
That is weird.
And look at that. Fire hat is on, but it's not in fire service. Cause see, I was able to call it from the outside. Now we'll close up. There it goes, and that's it.
Because that wraps it up for this one.